Hi, welcome to CNHOLY channel. Today I would like to introduce our TV bonding machine. TAB100, constant temperature bonding machine. It can be used for bonding laptop and TV. Okay, here's PLC display. Here are 3 modes: automatic mode, manual mode, and I/O monitor. I/O monitor is no need to be adjusted, and we can choose automatic mode or manual mode. Automatic mode, start, and the bonding time is usually 14 seconds, and we press start, the head will automatically down, and after 40 seconds it will automatically up. Manual mode is snorkel head. This button is to manually control the up and down of the blade head. Okay, and here is a temperature controller, and here is the temperature switch. Can open it and we can see the red number is the current temperature, and the yellow number is the setting temperature. And we press set, and we can up or down the temperature. And we usually set 280 degrees Celsius when bonding, when use ACF bonding. And okay, now we can see the temperature is rising. Okay, and here is a button of LED switch. We press, and this LED. Okay, control this LED. And this one is start button and e-start button. Same function of these two buttons. And this one is pressure display. And okay, this one is a new function. This function is this one. Crystal. There is a LED under the crystal. So this button can control the LED here. Have a try. Down, up. Okay. You can see here. It's a light. It's an LED. Okay. And on the side of the machine, there is a pressure gauge. And here is power switch. Okay, and this is power in, AC 220 volts. And we can provide CN plug, EU plug, and American plug, so can fit your needs. And here we can see we design a pushable switch here. So this time this current situation is open and close, open. So it is very convenient to control the in of the air, close, open. Here is the adjuster. Height adjuster, angle adjuster, left and right. And here is left and right, rear, front and rear. We can control the, and there is a clamp here. Okay, here's the new design of camera bracket. This knob is control the front and rear, and these two knobs control the left and right, and this knob is control the up and down. So we can use the new design, the bracket, to adjust the camera position more accurate, more stable,